In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Notion page to another workspace. This is perfect when you want to reuse a page template, move a project into a different team space, or keep a personal copy in another workspace. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. First, look at the left sidebar in Notion. This is where all your pages are listed. Find the page you want to move. When you see it, right-click the page and choose Duplicate. This creates a complete copy of that page right inside your current workspace. Duplicating is helpful because it preserves your original page and gives you a separate version you can safely move or edit. The duplicated page will appear in the same area of your sidebar, usually directly beneath the original, with Copy in the name. Next, right-click the duplicated page and select Move. You'll see a small menu or dialog where you can pick where this page should go. This step is what actually sends your copy to a different workspace. You're not exporting or sharing. You're moving that duplicated version so it lives entirely in the other workspace. Now, choose the other workspace you want to move it to. You should see a list of workspaces that you're a member of. Click the destination workspace, and Notion will move the duplicated page there. The move is usually quick, and the page will appear in that workspace's sidebar. Your original page stays right where it was, untouched, so you always have a backup. The moved copy keeps your content, layout, subpages, and database structure. If your page uses integrations or references pages that don't exist in the new workspace, you may need to reconnect those later, but the content itself will arrive intact. That's it. You've duplicated your page, moved the duplicate, and left the original in place. A few quick tips to keep things neat. Consider renaming the moved copy so it's clear which workspace it belongs to. If you created the duplicate only to move it, you can delete the extra copy left behind. And if you don't see the destination workspace in the list, make sure you're a member of it and have the right permissions. And there you go. You now know the simplest, most reliable way to copy a Notion page to another workspace. Duplicate it, move the duplicate, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.